The Redmi K series has been solidified as a go-to option for flagship killers in China. The latest offering is the best one yet. It has been quite some time since you've seen a Pro Max member in its series, but the Redmi K90 Pro Max is just one of those offerings. It gives you the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, a huge 7050-60 silicon carbon battery, and impressive audio setup. It comes with dual speaker setup with one unit on the top near the earpiece and another located on the bottom. They've added an independent woofer on the back next to the cameras. The entire 2.1 channel sound system gets Bose tuning with claims of class-leading bass output and rich detailed sound. The back house triple rear cam 50 megapixel sensor. The main sensor lifted from Xiaomi 17. It uses a Light Fusion 950 sensor with OIS, offering 23 mm equivalent focal range with 13.5 EV dynamic range. You get a 50 megapixel 5x 115 mm equivalent focal length. The third model is an 18 mm equivalent ultrawide lens, which has a rubbish 102 field of view. You get a 6.9-inch 1.5K resolution OLED screen with 120 Hz refresh rate, 3500 nits of peak brightness, and features Xiaomi Dragon crystal glass protection. It integrates 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scan and 32 megapixel front camera. It boots HyperOS 3 with Android 16 out of the box, IP68 water ingress. It supports 100-watt wired, 50-watt wireless, and 22.5 watts reverse wireless charging. It comes in white and black color with textured matte glass, as well as a blue color, which brings a denim-like fabric on the back. The baseline is $561. For the 16 GB 1 terabyte model goes up to $743. A racing fan can also get a champion edition in collaboration with Lamborghini or automobile racing team, which comes with 16 GB 1 terabyte of storage going for around $771.